Hey everyone, it is that time for another Tara's must-have, and this one is cooking up comfort. What's a Tara's must-have? Well, it's an item or a collection, in this case, a great collection, that I have curated just for you that's pretty and practical and purposeful. And when we talk about cooking up comfort, we have combined not only our great stoneware, not only a great way to take it in and out of the oven, but a great way to jump in and try our awesome food. All right, so let's jump in with our Dee-vine mug and lid it. Love this. Oh, hello. Just gonna put that right over there. Love this in all of its embossing. All of that glass glazes truly brings this pattern to life. You have that lattice work with, of course, that grape detail that runs around the edges. This lid it is your coaster for the bottom, your lid for on top. The oven gloves, if you haven't checked these out, this is amazing. No right hand, no left hand, silicone on the front and back, extended cuff, makes it easy to go in and out of the oven, in and out of the microwave to grab our great stoneware. These are a must-have as well. And then we incorporated 6 packets of our pot pies. Each packet makes 4 individual pot pies. 24 pot pies. We did, of course, our savory chicken, and then we did a Southwest beef. So you're not only getting the mug, can we just talk about, look how gorgeous this is. All that's required is you add your topping, but everything else is perfect, easy to go right inside that mug. So we have your mug, we have your 6 packets of pot pies making over 24 pot pies. We have your oven gloves. Are you ready for this incredible value? This is almost a $70 value for almost 55% off. Like, what? It's under $30. Under 30, you would normally probably pay $30 for a mug and our gloves. Forget the pot pies. The fact that you're getting everything all together for this low, low price exclusively over at temp-tations.com, you are definitely not gonna wanna miss our cooking up comfort Tara's must-have.